Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making peanut ginger sesame cookies. It's a combination I've never thought to try before. It's gonna have little bits of candied ginger and crunchy peanut butter. Sounds delicious. Should be great after any type of Asian meal. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is set our ovens to 350. Grease up 2 cookie sheets, or if you're like me, just grab parchment paper. All right, now we're gonna sift together our flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground ginger, and ground cinnamon. Now for the flour, you can use all-purpose wheat, pastry, whatever you got, combination or just one of them, but you need 2 1/4 cups. Yes, I need a bigger sieve. All right, now in a large bowl, you're gonna put in some vegetable shortening, get some electric beaters. We're gonna beat this for about 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. All right, now we're gonna add our peanut butter. Now you wanna get the chunky or the crunchy peanut butter, brown rice syrup, sugar, soy milk, almond extract, along with vanilla extract. All right, now we're gonna beat this for 4 to 5 minutes. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like peanut butter cookies, and I'm here for it. All right, now before we fold in our flour, let's chop up our candied ginger, because we're gonna do this into bite-sized pieces. All right, let's stir in our flour. All right, let's add our chopped ginger. Stir this in too. And you might need to start using your hands once it starts getting really thick. Fun fact! Sesame seeds are believed to be one of the first condiments, as well as one of the first plants to be used for edible oil. Sesame seeds come from the sesame plant, which I have to admit I've never seen until now. When the seeds are ready to be harvested, the pods containing them pop open, which is widely believed to be the origin of the saying, "open sesame." Well, let's take the dough. We're gonna form a small, kind of walnut-shaped ball. And we're gonna roll these around in the sesame seeds. And then we're gonna top them with a little bit of sugar as well. You can pick whatever color you want. You can do one color if you want. You can do both. You can do half, 3/4 and 1/4. Just get crazy. All right, let's put our cookies in the oven for 10 to 11 minutes if you want them chewy, or up to 14 minutes for crunchier cookies. Let's check them. Let's leave them in there for 1 more minute. All right, now we're gonna allow these to cool for a couple minutes on the pan, then we're gonna transfer them to a wire rack. All right, we've let them cool long enough. Let's try it. So they were in the oven for probably 11 minutes. They are still a little bit, definitely chewy. Very interesting. You're getting those bites of ginger. It's not overpowering. It's a nice flavor. It's like a hint of peanut butter cookie, a little bit of ginger, a little bit of sugar cookie, this little crunchiness from the sesame seeds. I'm a fan. I guarantee you haven't had a cookie like this before, so you should make it. I give this 2 thumbs up. It's unique, it's delicious. Couple tips. You can leave it in longer, obviously, if you want crunchier cookie. They also did say you could push down on it a little bit to flatten the cookies out before you put them in the oven. I didn't do that, and it said it was optional, and you didn't really need to, so, because, you know, they flatten themselves out while they're cooking. Alright y'all, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up, I would love you for it. Make sure to share and subscribe and comment and like and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. And in a large bowl, you're gonna put some